So they say a maths teacher wants to create a model by which she can predict grade 12 learners' final marks. And then she decided to use the 2015 results to create the following model. So this is preparatory examination, trial, the one that you just wrote. And then this one is the final. So trial, which one comes first, trial or final?
Yes.
The trial came first. So we can use trial examination to predict the final because we're still going to write the final paper.
Yes.
Sure. And then next question says, determine the equation of the least square regression line, which is 3 marks. We need to get A, we need to get B, and then we need to get the equation. How would we do that, Mr. Mwit?
We're going to our calculator.
Sure.
We press stats, option 3. Oh, we press mode.
Mode.
And then we go to stats, option 3.
Yeah.
And we go to 2, the one that says A plus BX.
Okay.
And then we say 55.
55.
Equal to
85. 67.
85 equal to
85, ne?
Yes.
91.
91. Yes. 48.
48.
78.
78.
Yes.
72.
Yes.
15 equals to
15. Then 75.
75 equals to
69.
69.
Yes.
37.
37.
Okay.
And then we shift to the other row to
Okay.
go upwards. And then we say
57. Yeah.
50.
50.
74.
74.
80.
80. 92. 50. 80.
Oh, yes. 81.
23.
80.
80.
Yes.
75.
Then we have 5. We have 42.
And then we had
And
42.
Then, yes. Then
Okay.
we see our calculator.
AC.
Yes. Then we press shift.
Shift.
1. Yes, we go to option 5, regression.
Yeah.
We say number 1. We first start with our A. We find our A option number 1.
Okay, and then we press equals to. Ne? And then we got A is equaling to 12 comma.
12.
No, it's 12 comma something. It can't be 12. 12 comma something. Oh, it's 12 comma 00.
So it's
Rounded off to two decimal places is 12 comma 01. Yeah. Okay. What is B? AC. Ne? Shift 1 again. 5. 2 equals to 0.88. 0.88. Ne? Therefore, our equation is going to say y is equaling to 12. Ne?
For la regression.
Also,
Ora la B is 0.88, right? R. Oh, the regression. What?
0.97.
0.97.
Okay.
Wait.
Yes.
What did
Let's
you get?
continue. So, as the
equation is fine.
Yes.
A is
Yeah, it's fine.
it's 12, ne, comma 01.
Yes.
Okay, so we have 12,01 plus 0,88x. Ne? 1,
Yes.
2, 3. Okay, draw a scatter plot and show the regression line. This one is killing us, this one. We had a problem here. How to draw the scatter plot and show the regression line. Drawing the scatter plot and showing the regression line. So we're supposed to say we have 50 and 57. Angisho. Or we have 55. So x is 55. Angisho.
Yes.
So let's check what does each and everything represent here. So it's 50. No? 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. No. What does each and every one represent here?
Another one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And then you say
So,
26.
Huh?
this picture, was it me or this thing was? Because on this side it says, let's see,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side. This
Because
side
on the
is
other
2, 4,
side it
6.
has 6 blocks.
Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4,
It
5,
can be
6.
2, 4, 6, 2.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we need to say 10 divided by 6 then. So that it will tell us which each and every one represents how much. I'm sure here, because you have 5 things here, you say you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you to represent each and every one of them is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Which this one is going to be 1 comma something.
1,7.
What did you get? Let's check.
1,7.
1,7.
1,7.
Ah, so it's
Yeah.
approximately 2. I think maybe they
1,7.
made a mistake. It's supposed to be 2. This thing. It doesn't make sense with 1 comma something. Okay, let's go as 50. So
Yeah.
we'll say 52, 54, 56. So 55 is in between. Hello?
Yes.
55 is 55 and what?
Yes.
57.
55 and 57.
57.
57. Yes.
So 55 it's here, somewhere here.
So,
If I go up straight, 55, still 55, in between. And decide to say we're looking for at 57. So it's 2, 4, 6. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's in between. So it's here.
Yes. And then we have 35 and 50.
We have 35 and
50.
okay, let's erase this one. We don't need the lines, we should just need the dot. Okay, next one, we say we have what, Moeti?
We have we have 35.
35.
And
So it's 2, 4, 35 it's here. Ne? So I'll just go up
Yes.
35, 35. It's in between. Yeah. It goes with what, 35?
And 50.
And 50. Oh, so that one is straightforward. It's here.
Yes.
Okay. And then let's erase the line again. Don't need the line, we just need the dot. Okay, next one.
Yes, and we have 67 and 74.
67, 62, 64, 66, 67 is in between here. Ne?
Yes.
So I'm going to go up straight here so that I remember. So it's up, but it's in between. Ne? Okay, 67 goes with?
74. You still have to go up.
I
Yeah.
still have to go up. Ne? Okay.
Yes.
So it's 72, 74.
Yes.
72, 74, here it is. Okay, in between here, ne? Because that one is,
Yes.
okay, I have a dot. And then we erase the lines. We remain with the dot. Sharp. Next.
Yes.
85. It goes with 8, you know?
Yes.
85,
Yes.
82, 84, 85. It goes with 8, you know? So it's here.
With 8 years on the on that line.
Okay. Let's
And then
erase
now
this
we have
one.
91 and 92.
91 and
Oh, yes,
92.
that's a regular one. Yes.
91. If I go straight here, this is 91, and it goes with what? With 92.
Yes. And your graph mistakes a little bit up.
Okay,
Yes.
so
Yes.
this is still 90. Let's check.
Yeah.
I'm still fine. So this is 90. 90 is the solid line. You can see the solid line. It's 90, it's 90, it's 90. You say 92?
Oh, yes.
91 goes with what? 90.
With 92.
92. So it's here.
Yes. After the solid line.
Next. These things are made. Guys, Mara, we get the idea.
then,
See, 48. Let me do the 48 and 50 so that you can do the recreation line. The one that is important is the recreation line.
Bye-bye.
48 and 50, no?
Yes, we have 48 and 50.
Okay. 48.
And then we have 78 and 8.
2, 4, 6, 48. So we say 48 here. No? It goes with 50. 50. That's one straightforward. So we go up until we get here. Wait, I'm stopping with these 5 lines. I think we get the idea. No? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think the picture is clear.
Yes.
Now let's draw the regression line. How do we draw the regression line? We said the regression line, it's a line which is going to pass through the mean point, number 1. That's what we were checking. We're checking X mean. And then
Yes.
also want the Y mean.
Yes, and the Y.
Okay, so we go to
Yes.
A6.
And also, we want the line that is going to.
So we have var. X mean,
The Y.
we have 60,5.
Yes.
60,58.
Right.
Then,
5. Yes.
let's check the Y mean. 65.
Yes.
5,
5. Yes. 33.
33. Ne? Okay, let's go and look for this one. I'm going to do it with a different color. Is the mean point. So it's 60. We can say approximately 61. So it's 60. Let's make it 60. So it's 60. It goes with 65. No? 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60. And then it goes with 65. 62, 65, it's here.
Yes.
So we're done with the mean point. No? Where else should it pass this thing here, Mwit?
On the y-axis.
Yeah, you
Y-intercept.
I mean,
let's do it this way so that you remember, guys. The one that is important, number 1, is the mean point. Mean point is important. And then after that, wait, you can choose any point. You can choose a point this side. You can choose a point this side. You need two points to connect this thing. So let's say I choose 10, because it doesn't necessarily have to be here on the y-axis. We usually prefer it that way, but it doesn't necessarily have to be there. So let's say Elena chooses 10. If Elena chooses 10, they can go to the equation and substitute 10. Remind me, Kana, what is our equation of the least square regression line?
12,01.
Yeah, so we have
Plus
y, which is equal to 12,01 plus 0,88 x, like this. So you can put 10 here. You're allowed to come and say, everywhere I see x, I can put 10 so that I get what is going to be 1. But the simplest one is to take this value, whatever value is written here. So if I say I have y, which is going to be 12,01 plus, this is going to be 0. So we have 12,01, which is 12, approximately 12. So I'll come and say here I have. So I have 12 here. So now I have these 2 points. I have this point. I also have this point. The next thing is just to connect my 2 points. Using a ruler. And then you're going to have your straight line. And then we're giving you a mark for doing something like that. We're good, Musna.
Yes.
Okay. Predict the final mark for Elena who obtained 46 in preparatory examination. If Elena got 46 in preparatory examination, can
they
you
say
predict?
Elena
y is equaling to 12,01.
Yes, so
Yes.
they gave us x.
They gave us x, no? So it's
Yes, so they give
0.88
us x.
multiplied by our x, which is
Yes.
going to be 46. No? And then
Okay,
what
so-
did we get for this one if we type this?
Yes. We get I don't know pension for
52,49.
52,49.
So it's 52%.
Yes.
So I'm going to tell them which we have 52 percentage, just 52,49, and then percentage, if we round it off, we're going to have 52%. So here they gave us 1 mark for substitution and then 1 mark for the final answer. Ne? And then they say, describe the relationship between preparatory examination and final examination. What should you say? Oh, determine the correlation coefficient, R. That one we get it on our calculator.
We say shift 1. Yes, that one we carried on our calculator.
We say shift
Mr.
1,
R
R,
number 3 says 0,98.
0,98. Ne?
Yes.
Okay, describe the relationship between preparatory and final exam. What will you say?
I said the higher I said the higher the percentage of the preparatory mark, the higher the final mark.
So it's strong and positive. Ne?
Yeah,
Strong positive correlation.
There's a strong
Correlation.
positive.
correlation. Also, I can answer it like this.
In fact, this is the correct one. Like English, because it can have a problem there. So just to be on the safe side, stick to the math.
Yes. Because I always worry when they ask me the relationship.
Is it? Yeah, but even if you say
Because
that,
usually
you can state the English, it's still fine. Which it seems as if when learners pass preparatory exam, they also pass final examination. So there's a positive correlation. As the other one grows, the other one also grows.
because I expected them say when they want this answer, them to ask me that
what is the
what is
describe
the story? Describe the story.
It comes in many ways, Mr. Mwedi. Now, this one is the one that killed almost all of us. Who got this one? It's one person, if I remember. It was Lina, the only person who got this. Because they were saying, could you use this equation to estimate the preparatory examination? Could you use this equation to estimate the preparatory examination for a learner who obtained 73 in the final exam? Give a reason for your answer. And then, like, Nina, sometimes you are lazy to think, Madam Mwedi. Which one comes first? Go final. Go trial the preparatory exam. Trial came first.
Yes.
So even if a learner gets 73 go final, I can't use the final to predict the preparatory examination because it's gone. When I'm with the manager, if you get 73 go final, it doesn't matter go trial which one did you get. Could you use this equation to estimate the preparatory exam? No. Number one, no.
Yes.
Yeah, what is the reason behind that? It's because you wrote trial is the input. Now we use the trial to predict what is going to happen with final. You wrote your trial. We are going to be using the trial. It makes sense.
It does, and then it makes us feel like
we are stupid.
We are stupid.
Yeah, but it's because we are lazy. And I told you about this thing of thinking. Even now, what was this? We did this thing, Angela. Now you don't think, guys. Like, sometimes.
To think.
Like generally so.
So we're going to tell them trial comes first with an input. And if we're talking about function terms, so this one is an input, the other one is an output. So you can't use final to predict trial, because trial comes first. So it's an input. It's the one which can give you the output. If X and Y, when we speak about we have the input, and then what we get is the output as well.
I can see.